coupon is back with a 5 off 25 scenario, jacked up 5 off 25 scenario. Well, I'm not gonna say it's jacked up because hey, it may be, you know, something that somebody needs, maybe some products that they can use. I think, I mean, it's all right scenario to me. I mean, with this scenario, you'll end up saving $12, so I would say it's a good scenario for somebody who needs certain products. This week, the 5 off 25 have a lot of restrictions. Like I say, on the actual coupon, it says on paper and cleaning products only. Then you go into the app. I'm going to post the 5 off 25 coupon from the actual app. It has different descriptions, which is, I wrote it down at the top of this sheet. It has only in capital letters. It says only bath tissue, paper towels, laundry, dish detergent, and fabric softener. But on the actual paper 5 off 25, it says paper and cleaning products only, generic. But on the actual in-app coupon, it has a breakdown. So I don't know how that's gonna come out, but I just decided to include cleaning and laundry to see how it go for who wants to try it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna try it or not. I'll see. But I think if not, then the 2 off of 10 and then the game is definitely worth trying, because you'll end up coming on top with those 2 scenarios. But if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when all new videos have been uploaded. So you would clip the $1 off of the Game Fling 14 count. You would clip the $2 off of the Downy fabric softener, $2 off. The 50 cents for the Windex product. There's also 50 cents for the scrubbing bubbles off of 1. There's $2 off of the Swiffer starter kit. It's on sale for $4.50. What the regular price is $4.50, and there's $2 off for that one. There's $1 off for the Finish dishwashing detergent, which is this one right here. And then you would grab 2 $1 cleaning products. It can be anything to get your total to the $25 mark. Most Dollar Generals have a dollar section. They normally have a lot of dollar cleaning products. You're not gonna get any coupons off of them, but that's just to get your total to the $25 mark. So the 5 off 25 will come off the $1 for the Game Fling, $2 for the Downy, 56 for a Windex product, 50 cents for the scrubbing bubbles, $2 for the Swiffer starter kit, and $1 for the Finish, making your subtotal before tax $13.48. Again, savings are $12 even. Total of 8 items, making each item $1.68 each. Again, if you don't want to do the 5 off 25, you can always do 2 off of 10s, because they sent out $2 off of 10s for each account. I got 2 accounts. Both of them have 2 off of 10 and both had a 5 off 25. I don't know if the other account had a 5 off 20. Yeah, the 5 off 20 for the game. I don't know. I figured it out. But if you have not subscribed, just again, make sure you please subscribe and share the video. Also, shout out to Yaya38103 for showing support. Andrew Roberts for showing support. Y'all make sure y'all also go check out Sade with Receipts. She's also a good couponer. Her channel is listed in the comment section. Also, let her know that I sent you over. Let her know Mr. Couponer sent you over to her channel. Also, make sure you check out Risa Richardson, which is RESA, and last name is RICHARDSON. She has a channel on here also. She has many different things on her channel: cooking, motivational, inspirational, different things. Let her know Mr. Couponer sent you over as well. I don't get anything, but I'm just letting y'all know the people who's been supportive, and the ones who's been off the top of my head, who's been supportive of my channel since I pretty much started. But again, thank y'all for watching. If y'all have any questions or concerns, make sure y'all leave them below. Have a good one.